I tried Ramp Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to try the Ramp Wallet app, I thought it was just another crypto on-ramp tool. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Ramp isn't just a wallet, it's a bridge between your bank account and the decentralized world of Web. The first thing that stood out was how incredibly easy it was to buy crypto directly using my credit card or bank transfer. No complicated setups, no confusing blockchain steps, just type in the amount, verify your identity, and you're done. Most people get this wrong, but Ramp isn't an exchange. It's a service that connects traditional payments to crypto networks seamlessly. Throughout the week, I tested it with multiple currencies USD, GBP, and ETH. Every transaction landed straight into my self-custody wallet without a hitch. That means I controlled my crypto from the moment I bought it, unlike centralized exchanges that hold your assets for you. Ramp also supports a wide range of wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Rainbow. It took just a few clicks to connect, and funds showed up instantly. That kind of frictionless experience is what most people in crypto have been waiting for. Now, here's the surprising part. Ramp is fully regulated in many regions. That adds an extra layer of trust that's rare in the crypto space. And unlike some competitors, it's transparent about fees, exchange rates, and transaction times. But there's one thing to keep in mind. While it's great for buying crypto, it's not designed for holding or trading long term. Think of it as a gateway, not a home base. After using it for a full week, I can confidently say that Ramp lives up to its name. It ramps you into crypto safely, quickly, and easily. The shocking truth? It's the smoothest on-ramp experience I've had yet, and it makes the jump from cash to crypto feel effortless.